Our big business stories of the day. Doug Flynn joins us by telephone. He's a certified financial planner, co-founder of Flynn Zito Capital Management. Doug's great to have you on the show. And I think, as I mentioned a moment ago, that higher interest rates are a huge story for people who are looking at the market, but more importantly, for just regular Americans looking to buy a car, looking to buy a home. Jamie Dimon's worried. Are you? Can we stand this rise in interest rates?
The rise in interest rates absolutely has put the squeeze on people. They felt the big increase, not only in mortgage rates going from 3% 2 years ago to about 7.5%. And if the likelihood is that they're going to raise again another quarter of a point, maybe a half, you could be pushing 8% in mortgages. Credit card loan rates, car loan rates, everything is up so much. That's put squeeze on everybody. And as a result of that, people have less money to spend. And therein lies the issue of whether or not that translates into lower consumer spending and then potentially a recession. That's what's looming on the horizon.
Are you betting on one? I mean, the other thing, of course, is higher oil prices. All kinds of predictions out there about we'll get to 150 or whatever it might be on oil prices. Can we shrug that off? Or indeed, is that part of what puts us into the recession you're alluding to?
Yeah, it looks like that there may also be an increase in oil prices a little bit more before it settles down a bit. And those absolutely are adding to even more than just the interest rates being up, the squeeze on people. And when that means that they have less money to spend, it is very likely that if we do go into recession, although it might be shallow and short, that then gives the Federal Reserve the opportunity to lower rates. And that's what it seems like they want to do. They want to keep them high enough and keep people on their toes to the point where they're in a position where they can lower rates. And that is, the market is thinking that that's how it's going to be, and that's why the market's been sort of sideways to a little bit down of late. That's what it's translating into.
All right, fair enough, Doug. We'll see you again on the show, hopefully tomorrow. So thanks for calling in today, though. We appreciate it. Doug Flynn.